Hi, I'm Stephanie and this is my home, the 16th century Chateau de Lalande. Lalande was owned for hundreds of years by a family of marquises who were at the heart of French royal life. One of them even had the honour of being sent by King Louis XV to greet Marie Antoinette on her arrival in France. But, far from being a stuffy museum, this chateau is a living home. I live here all the time and am regularly joined by my mother, my family, my friends, and wonderful volunteers from all over the world who help me to lovingly restore this historic home. Welcome to Lalande, a chateau filled with life, love, and laughter. I've just opened the window this glorious morning and I've seen that there's something inside the basket. What is it? What is it? Yes, it is. It's bubble bath. I'd run out. How marvellous. Well, I know what I'm going to be doing now. Relaxing in a bubble bath. After all, lockdown does seem the perfect opportunity to turn your home into your spa. A bath is so much better with bubbles, and that's what I call bubbles. When I said I wanted bubbles, I wasn't sure I meant quite this many. Still, I'm in the bath now and I'm going to turn it into a proper spa. I have this 3-minute flash mask that was a gift from Mason. It's made in Vermont. Let's give this a try. Bright and easy, what could be better? Time to make myself beautiful with some greenish sludge. Massage a quarter-size dab onto clean, dry skin. Oops, sort of dry. Leave on for 3+ minutes. Here we go. Is that a quarter? Hard to know what a quarter size is when you're European. That's the mask all rinsed off. Time to get up and face the day. Looks as though the others are up and being a lot more productive before me. There's Selmar. Look what a beautiful job he's doing of clearing around the box hedges.
He's cutting the hedge.
Selma, what delectable nibbles have you made for us today?
Just a little salad, mixed salad with the things I could find.
Mummy, it looks lovely. Yes?
There is a problem with the lawnmower.
Well, Mummy, that's not my department.
To start it because somebody left the ignition on.
Who was it? Find them and punish them, Maman. I'm coming. Let's go on a lawnmower saving mission. Well, the battery might be flat, but what about that front wheel? Looks as though there's more than just a flat battery. But is that just a puncture?
Yes.
Okay. Yay, Selma doing a great job winching it up.
Then we try to get it back.
Oh dear.
There. Okay.
Great. Okay,
Whoa.
One problem solved. Shall we solve the second problem?
Okay, and now you have to...
Okay. Hurrah! Super! You have to sit there for a couple of hours. You'll be fine. Et puis tu pousses. Parfait! What is this new look? What is this?
Because otherwise, this to remind me of Percy. You put that against my luggage.
Oh dear, we just got the mower up and running and there's been a sinistre already. My mother was just mowing next to me on the lawn when we heard a huge noise and look what we've discovered. The door handle has disappeared from the big gates. Mummy's been mowing and look what I see behind her. Look! She mowed handle had fallen off at some unspecified point since we last used the door, and Mummy's mowed it in half. Oh well, I think we all just need to accept that it's going to be one of those days.
Of my hat?
No, I don't. Let me see the end of it. Oh, yes, okay, now it's not a ribbon, it's a strap.
That's how much she's missing you, Percy. She's using your luggage strap close to her heart.
Close to me, more like close to a chin.
How are you, Percy?
Oh, I'm fine, thank you. I'm very well.
Good.
I'm waiting for the time to pass, but everything is passing slowly and goes.
Yes, we're missing you.
Oh, good. I'm pleased
Especially,
nobody's missing me.
speak to you later.
Bye.
Cheers to you, bye.
Bye.
Before you go, Mummy, look, a parcel.
Wonders will never cease.
Do you want to open this
it's
one?
a tractor, a working tractor.
Yeah, that's very likely. That does look like a tractor.
Very exciting.
Oh my goodness, what is it?
Oh, look.
It's a lot of empty paper, plastic bags.
Wow.
A box of plastic bags. We're rich in plastic bags,
Yes.
Mummy. What are we going to use them for?
All sorts.
Well, I'm very curious.
Oh my goodness.
Gosh, what is it?
Linen. Look how beautiful that is.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Adorable. And it is British. John Palmer design.
Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. There's a hedgehog.
Oh, look.
Oh, what's in here? I'm so curious. I want to rip it. Look. Henry the Hedgehog.
Oh, that is adorable.
Oh, look, there's a little Henry the Hedgehog on the back.
Oh, how wonderful.
Oh, he's darling. Henry the Hedgehog on a chopping board, and a lovely, lovely blue tit as well. And goodness knows we always need these. Look at these beautiful butterflies. What do you think, Mummy?
It's delightful.
Isn't this lovely with blue butterflies?
Delightful.
And there is a matching tea towel, and this has inspired me. I am going to bake a cake now.
Wonderful.
And look at these beautiful cushions. Look how lovely they'll look in the winter salon.
It's beautiful. How very, very generous of John Palmer. Thank you.
Mummy, I have just unwrapped your bag. This is it. This is your bag. Come and have a look. The finishing touch to today's outfit.
Absolutely adorable.
Let's see it on. I cannot wait for the markets to reopen and you have to go dressed like that with that bag. It's magnificent on you, Mummy. Yes.
Yeah, but I will be dressed in a beautiful dress.
Will you?
Floatiness, and I'll wear my pink there.
There's lots of lovely coasters, but I'm most excited about the puffin because the elusive Nick feels that he has a real affinity to puffins. He was on holiday on some remote island that was covered in puffins, and apparently one of them came up to him and pecked him on the foot. And he feels that it was a very meaningful moment in both his and the puffin's life. So I'm going to go around to his apartment now and leave the puffin there for his coffee whilst he's working. Nicky! I brought you a puffin!
What?
I brought you a puffin! As usual, he's too shy to be seen, but he's pretty excited. Take my word for it. There, I'm going to leave it on his front doorstep. What a gorgeous day it is. A perfect day to bake a cake for everyone. I'm feeling full of energy because of the sunshine. There goes Mummy, straight back onto the mower. There's really no stopping her. Literally, having just said that, I was about to walk into the chateau and I heard the mower stop. Just before starting to bake the cake, I've just gone online and I've managed to order some gilding liquid in rich gold to finish off the pink in my bedroom. I asked Michael Petherick which one they used in the ballroom at the Chateau de Lalande because I like that bling effect, and he said this is the best one. I've managed to find it and they will send it during lockdown. So hopefully sometime next week I'll be able to get on with that and show you the progress. Right, I'm going to clear this table, leave this apron on and make a cake. I can't wait to eat this. Yum. And I found my lovely moulds, my little rabbits. If I'm honest, I don't know why I bother cooking the cake. This is just the best bit. My bunnies are ready to go into the oven, and I've made the spare into a bit of cake that we can have today. I think the bunnies are ready, but the main cake needs a little bit longer. They're done. I've made cake, Mummy. You don't look happy about the cake.
I'm very, very upset.
Oh, what's happened?
The belt of the lawnmower has broken.
But I can't believe what 4 things in a row
But
have
did
been
you-
broken with that mower today.
Did you hear? It wasn't cutting, first of all. That's because of the belt, obviously, which was not...
On properly. So I think what must have happened is that when it got the flat tire, it pushed the cutting blades out of place a bit, and that must have messed with the belt.
Well, now it's broken. I don't know if we can order a belt.
We can try. I'll look online. I've managed to order some gilding paint for my bedroom, so some things are still being delivered. I'm making the drizzle of my lemon drizzle with the juice of 3 lemons and 150 grams of caster sugar. There we go. Quickly mix that up. This is the best bit of the lemon drizzle cake. I hope this cake is going to cheer my mother up. She's not in a good mood today with all of the saga of the mower. And as everyone in this house knows, the smooth running of the mower and my mother's mood are one and the same. When the mower stops working, Mummy's in a really, really bad mood. But she does love lemon drizzle cake. This is the scary bit, trying to get the bunnies out. I've got one out in one piece. Let's see if I have that luck again. Yes! Another bunny! Woohoo! I just got to cut the bottoms off, obviously, because they're a little bit wibbly at the moment. As I cut them off, I eat them. Please, 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 please. Yes! Oh, I didn't think this one was going to make it, but he's out, alive and well. Look!
Yay!
What do you think, Gerald? Can you see my bunnies?
That's beautiful.
Whoa! Good enough
beautiful.
to eat safety.
We wish you were with us.
Yes.
So do I. Oh, my mouth is watering.
I know that.
I'm just going to pour a little bit of drizzle onto each one. Mummy, would you like the base of a bunny with a bit of drizzle on it?
Oh, I would love.
Drizzled bunny base on a hedgehog. We serve things in style in this house.
Don't we just? Thank you.
I want to eat the bunnies, but we have to wait for the weekend.
It's delicious, thank you.
What a relief. Mummy looks happier. I've managed to find the belt online, so I've ordered it. Hopefully we can fix the mower, and it looks as though we'll be having a peaceful evening. Bye-bye from Lalande. A huge thank you to all of our patrons at Lalande who are making this vlog possible, especially our Marquise and Marquise of Lalande, Daniela, Laura de Murray, Caroline Förster, Brenda Gibbons, Maureen Palmer, Brian Woodward and David Young. And thank you to all of you.